What's your feeling after accepting Islam?
But it's hard, you know, because you're recording it. But it was definitely a very touching experience. Definitely. Very nice, and everybody very welcoming.
Yes,
Did anyone force you, or you choose it?
No, yeah, I choose it.
Did anyone force you, or you choose it? You chose it? Did anyone force you, or you like it? You choose it? You choose to be a Muslim? What about you? You choose it? Okay. Brother, say ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allah is one. Allah has no son. Allah is the creator of the whole universe. Abraham is the messenger. Moses is the messenger. Jesus is the messenger. Muhammad is the last messenger of God. Almighty God, we ask you to take us to paradise. To help us to be in paradise with the messengers. And to save us from hellfire.